Islamic education in South Korea. South Korea is one of the countries in East Asia. It is located in southern parts of the Korean Peninsula, which is located in eastern tip of the Asian continent. North Korea is the only country that shared land borders with South Korea in the north. South Korea mostly surrounded by sea. The Yellow Sea is on the west, East China Sea is on the south, and Japanese Sea is on the east. South Korea land area is 100,032 kilometers and 290 kilometers for territorial waters. Indonesia distance to South Korea is 1,292 kilometers. It can be reached by plane in about 7 hours with the cheapest ticket price of 6 million rupiahs. South Korea has no official religion, but religious freedom is guaranteed by the country's constitution. Most Korean doesn't have religions. It is about 43.8%. Whereas the largest religion in South Korea is Buddhism, about 26.30%. Then Catholic is 16.39%. Next Christian about 11.69%. Islamic religion in South Korea is about 0.4%, only a very small portion of the South Korean population. The average Muslim population in South Korea is a migrant from Indonesia, the Middle East, and Asia. Education in South Korea is advanced, even though it is known to be harsh on its students. Including education for people with disabilities has also advanced, with various services provided in the school or other public services. But public services for minorities such as for Muslims are very lacking. Islamic school in there is very small number, as well as the number of mosques are small. Shops that provide halal food is too small number in there. These are the challenges for Muslims who live there. Cultural differences are also a challenge that must be overcome for Muslims in there. Islamic education in South Korea developed in several ways, such as Islamic education, formal and non-formal. They are in the mosque and school. Next, dakwah media and strategy Muslim friendly. Islamic education, non-formal and formal. A. Mosque. Many people ask to build public services for Muslims, and the Korean government own ways where to build several public services for Muslims, such as mosque and schools. So, Muslim can go to the mosque and the school to study Islamic religion in there. There are around 19 mosques that have been built in South Korea until now. For example, 1. Seoul Central Mosque in Taiwan. This is the first mosque was built in South Korea in 1976. It can accommodate 800 worshippers. It is the oldest and the largest mosque in South Korea and the only one mosque in Seoul. 2. Al-Fatah Busan Mosque. This mosque was built in 1980. It has a regular lecture schedule on Sunday at 11 and 12. 3. Siratal Mustaqim Ansan Mosque. This mosque was built on 2007 by the initiative of migrant workers from Brebes, Central Java, Indonesia, Ajat Sudrajat. His idea fully supported by the Indonesian Muslim community and the Korean Muslim community. The mosque congregation is dominated immigrants from Indonesia, Pakistan, and Bangladesh who works near the mosque. B. Islamic school. The number of Islamic schools in South Korea is very limited. Just one formal school and one madrasah. 1. Prince Sultan Islamic School. The first Islamic elementary school in South Korea, which built on 2006. It is located in Itaewon, Seoul, near the Seoul Central Mosque by KMF or Korean Muslim Federation, with supported by Prince Sultan bin Abdul Aziz from Saudi Arabia. Children in this school not only study according to the elementary school curriculum in South Korea, but also learn English and Islamic education such as reading Holy Quran, Arabic writing, prayer, etc. This school also accepts students regardless of their religion and nationality. Korean Muslim Federation develops school curriculum and student exchange programs in collaboration with Islamic organizations in Saudi Arabia, Malaysia, and Thailand. In long term, Korean Muslim Federation plans to build a cultural center, secondary school, high school, and university. 2. Madrasah Sultan bin Abdul Aziz. Long time before a formal elementary school was built, a madrasah called Madrasah Sultan bin Abdul Aziz has been functioning since 1990. In there, children learn Arabic, Islamic culture, and English. The second way Islamic education is increasing in South Korea. 2. Dakwah Media. Korean Muslim Federation is an Islamic organization in South Korea which aims to spread Islam and facilitate services for Muslims in South Korea. Korean Muslim Federation is recognized by the Korean government and has received a permit to construct the building. The Korean government has also assisted Korean Muslim Federation in the development of Islam. Korean Muslim Federation use dakwah media that are adapted to the situation and condition in there. The media used is education, such as in mosque and school, development of facilities and infrastructure for Muslims, religious institution, culture, mass media, internet, etc. The third way Islamic education is increasing in South Korea. 3. Strategy Muslims friendly. These strategies are easy to Islamic preaching and local government support for South Korean halal tourism, such as easy to get halal food, increase the number of facilities for Muslim, etc. That's all about Islamic education in South Korea with all limitation. Muslim in Islamic organization in South Korea always try the best for giving Islamic education for Muslim in there and supported by South Korean government. So, they can provide Islamic education and comfort to many Muslim in there. Thank you.